You don't have ABS, do you?
No.
No.
What? ABS? Are you kidding? Yeah, it's right here.
It's
all
threshold braking.
Yeah.
It's
locked,
old school.
Yeah, locked it up twice, I think, on that. Just
One puff coming up around the corner.
Yeah.
We saw that, and I said, "That's not ABS. That's ABS."
That was a 40.7. I had a 40.5. So what I fuck up there? Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's awesome. No, no, no. Like, just, like, what the fuck do these people think they're fucking doing? I just want to drive down here at this parking lot.
Oh, no, spam. No, I mean, I know that's the thing in Hawaii, I know. Yes, but I would say shave ice over macadamia nut ice cream on the bottom is the best. It's amazing. No, it's yours. No, it's yours. It's you. I have it. Yeah, I have it. I have water. All right, let me catch up there. Tucker, 43.7, 43.7.
Whatever that is, 36, like 35, 24, 35, 24, 35, 24, 36, 24 pressures. That fucking felt fucking good. Gotta be quicker coming out of the fucking 180. Quicker coming back. Quicker turning left. So again, I'm super excited for tomorrow. See how all this works out, how much it improves the car. I'll have the Solo Storm running, so see what kind of G's I pull. Just gripping and ripping on the pavement. It'll be great. So probably, I mean, this is Friday. Tomorrow, next thing, I'll just splice in my fastest autocross run right here. So stay tuned for the fastest autocross run from tomorrow, like a time machine. So here we go with my fastest run. Fuck. Well, fuck.